if it is equal to either of these numbers, then yeah, just print that number. So there's a condition over there. In that case, what I say, I'll take a random number. Let's say there is another number called random number. I'm just writing something over there. So if you guys cannot follow it up, just shoot your questions here. Else we'll see more complex examples maybe when we reach to the control structures, or the looping statements. Then I'll give you a complex example here which satisfies our this particular question. Okay, so if random number, did I say if okay, let's keep this. I don't want to go, so I'm just taking this off. Okay, let's go back to roll back to the and, or, and not. Okay, now what I'm saying here, coming to here. Okay, each of the operands, the data type of the operands in logical operators must be what it is. What is the data type? What, any guesses? What can be the data type of the operands in logical operators? Boolean. Yeah, on char. I mean, we don't say char in JavaScript. It's string actually. So collection of char, as you know, any other programming language, collection of char is string. Okay, but in here, even if it's a single character in JavaScript or PHP, it's a string. So yeah, you say the data type of the operands is string. That's what Arun say, and Boolean question mark. Taufik is a little skeptic over here regarding this. Yeah, so we can only operate, or we can only do logical operations on Boolean data. So it's always true and false, true and true, false and true, false and false, or true or true, true or false, false or true, or false or false. Okay, this is always Boolean. Okay, and the return type. Say I do logical operation on two Boolean data types. What does it return? Return type of this operator is, any idea? Yes, just shoot it out, no problem. What does it manifest? Okay, the return type. Say I do I took I do logical operation on two Boolean data. What is the output? What is the return type? What does it return? The data type of the return value. Boolean? Yes, it's Boolean. Well, yeah, a true and true can only manifest another true. So yeah, it is Boolean. So since the combinations of logical operator, how many combinations it can take? For instance, I say where A and B, just in case I'm saying A and B. Okay, so the maximum values A can take are true and false. At the same time, B can also take true and false. So how many combinations are there? There can be true and true, right? Then true and false. Now A turns to be now false. So false and true. Oops, it's false. I'm sorry. And false and false. Okay, so these are the combination. The possible values of A are true and false. The possible values of B are true and false, because Boolean has only two states, true or false. That's it. It doesn't have any other value than these. So yeah, now you guys go ahead and tell me what does true and true give me. Just logical true. And this true and false. False. Then this is the same, right? And if it's one false, everything is false. So always remember, this is a condition for an AND. For a logical AND to be true, both of them must be true. Okay? And similarly, the other case for OR. For OR, true or true. Oops. True or false. False or true. False or false. Now tell me the values. First one is true. This is true. And next one is true. And the next one is true. The last one is false. So this is a different case now. Say in R, okay, if both the data are false, then the output is false. So just remember, this is the trick here. And true or false. Just this is a simple trick. Like if I say and true, that means both of the everything should be true for an and to be true. I say false or, that means like everything should be false for the or to be false. Okay, if the written value must be false, then everything should be false. Else, if even if at least one thing is true, then the whole value is true for the logical operation. Okay, and for not, for not there only one operand, like unlike other operators here, the not operator. Okay, the not operator has only one operand. Operand. So it can be A. So A can take true and false. Okay, two values. So when A is true, what is not A? When A is true, what is not A? Yes. False. Exactly. And the opposite. When A is false, what is not A? So this is true. So not negates, just whatever you give over there, it just negates. Okay, so this is logical operators. So let's go ahead and see a practical over here, and then we'll continue the rest of the operators after the practical. Okay, so I'm just sharing. Yeah, Priyanka, you just keep ready. Just keep the chat on the rightmost corner, and while editing, just trim this section off. So you're doing a pretty wonderful job. So guys, Priyanka here is the person behind those videos which are coming out actually. So yeah, she's doing a good job. I mean, this is the first time she's working with us, but yeah, she's doing a great job. Yeah, I don't know if she's seeing this or hearing this. I don't know. Yeah, nice. I'll clap too. So yeah, I can actually clap here. Fine. So yeah, let's go ahead and see an example here.